Welcome back, guys. So we've downloaded the basic plugin, and what we want to do next is to talk about getting the premium version. So I'm going to come to www.billardcreative.com. Look at this right here. So I'll come to this website to come download the premium version. So I'm going to come to billardcreative.com, and I'm going to come to billardcreative.com. I'll try to go to the blog. So I'll come to the blog right here, and here on the blog I'll come to plugins. So come to plugins right here. In my plugins, you see different premium plugins right here. I have used SEO premium plugin. This is only one SEO premium plugin. But if you don't want to come here to look through the plugins, all you have to do is to search for it from here. So you search for it from the search button. Just search for all in one SEO. So I'm going to search for that. So let's see the result it brings. So here it is. As you could see, this is the all-in-one SEO. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to try to download this out. Browse different plugins, and you see the download button right here. So get started with all-in-one SEO Pro and unlock its full potential. So I'm going to download this out of here. And as you could see right here, we have the different versions, different segments of the plugins. As you could see, we have the one for image SEO, we have the one for index now. We're going to have all this downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it from here. I'm going to say download. So I'm going to say download from here, and let's download it right away. So I'm going to download it right now, and let's see what that becomes. So I'm clicking on download right away, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm trying to download this, and it's going to download it when it's done. So I'm going to download it as a zip file, and I'm going to download it as a zip file. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to upload all the files you've downloaded as a premium plugin. So right now it's working on downloading this, and you'll see that the download would start once this is done. So we're going to download this premium file for plugins that we're going to use. So it's the premium version of the all-in-one SEO plugin we activated right here. So we're going to wait for that to get downloaded, and we are going to proceed with what we want to do with this particular plugins. We want to configure our search engine optimization, and this is the only tool we're going to need for that. So aside from downloading the basic one, which is this from the SEO, from the plugins directory, this is the WordPress plugins directory. But right now I'm showing you an external file that we're going to upload. We're going to use this particular admin plugin to upload, so we can have the premium version of the same plugin. So I'm going to wait for this to get downloaded in a zip file, and after it gets downloaded, we'll be able to use it. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.